Ta-da! A gadget that can help you in trouble. Or what about a portable gadget that can help you while camping? Sound weird? Well, stick around to see what I'm talking about. All the links to the products are in the description below. NuFACE Mini Starter Kit. Activates with ion plex plus hyaluronic acid plus glacial water. New to microcurrent? This formula is great to kickstart your routine. Perfect for all skin types. Firming and brightening silk cream. Formulated with ion plex plus hyaluronic acid plus glacial water plus 8 phytoactives. Electrifying anti-aging benefits with every application. Great for all skin types, specifically normal to dry. Zevro GAT202 Indispensable Dry Food Dispenser. Combining contemporary styling with a user-friendly design, this dual-portion controlled dry food dispenser can hold up to 17.5 ounces of food in each canister. It is suitable for a wide variety of dry foods such as cereal, trail mix, candy, granola to nuts, beans, rice, etc. The unit's as-needed dispensing keeps food sanitary and germ-free, while its airtight seal helps prevent food from going stale and preserves freshness for up to 45 days, which means less food is wasted. This food dispenser is ideal for parents as it promotes growing independence, as children learn to serve themselves, or for people living a healthy or weight-conscious lifestyle. To use, simply place a bowl under the spout and twist the knob. TICARVE Cleaning Gel for Car Cleaning Kit. Magnolia Flower Aroma Car Cleaning Gel Putty Reusable is perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your auto. Car putty for cleaning is super great to get into the gaps and little crevices on the car to pick up the dust, debris, crumbs, and pet hair. Car detailing gel is ideal for cleaning gaps and cavities. Push car detailing tools into any little cracks and the crud sticks and pulls back out. You can also press the detail putty on the keyboard surface and then pull out the car gel cleaner slowly. The dust would be carried away with the keyboard cleaner putty. Car Goop Cleaner is suitable for all devices and services, except carpets. Gel for cleaning car could be used for several times till the color of the auto detail gel turned to dark. After use, just put the car cleaning kit's universal cleaning gel back in the jar and keep in a cool place. ParaFaciem Reusable V-Line Mask. ParaFaciem Lifting Bandage is an effective and useful method to remove the double chin and saggy skin along the facial contour. It can be used for men and women. ParaFaciem Chin Slimming Strap is specifically designed to tighten the skin, lift up the skin, and reshape a slim and youthful face. It is suitable for all types of skin. ParaFaciem V-Line Bandage choose breathable fabrics. It is elastic and sturdy, fitting to different features of faces. ParaFaciem Double Chin Reducer Bandage can stick well on the top of your head and provide you with the even force. The sticky part of the bandage is long enough for you to adjust the length. Shoulder Dolly Moving Straps. The Shoulder Dolly recognized the need for your arms to be unconstrained. The need for stabilization, opening doors, and overall balance is all attained. Ergonomically designed to promote and facilitate proper lifting techniques. Built with heavy-duty materials, the Shoulder Dolly can lift up to 800 pounds. Back pain and strain is avoided by ensuring proper lifting techniques and utilizing the body's strongest muscles, the legs and torso. Significantly reduces strain on arms and hands. Due to the seemingly unlimited adjustability of the strap through the buckle, users can move and lift heavy, bulky furniture easier than ever. Differences in the height of movers are overcome due to the adjustability of the webbing through the buckle. BrentwoodAppliances Cake Pop Maker. Use the powerful 750-watt Brentwood TS254 non-stick cake pop maker to bake 12 perfect cake pops in just 4 minutes. Includes recipes for vanilla and lemon cake pops, cinnamon sugar donut holes, and pancake bites. Easily slide your cake pops out of the non-stick plates. Power and preheat indicator lights inform you when the plates are hot and ready. Vertical feet and cable wrap allow the cake pop maker to stand upright for incredibly small storage. For safety, the unit will automatically shut off if it senses overheating. DODOWIN Contour Gauge 2. The contour duplication gauge is made of upgrade ABS plastic, which provide more tough, durable, and high strength. It is smooth to press the teeth against the object to match the contour without extra force, and then track the shape you need. Tip: it is allowed to use the screwdriver to adjust the screws on one side if you thought the original is too tight or too loose. Rack magnetic wristband for holding screws. Each rack magnetic tool accessory contains 10 powerful magnets embedded in the wristband for holding screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits with ease. This magnetic screw holder is great for home improvement, construction, carpentry, auto repair, and other DIY projects. Just strap it to the wrist, a belt, or hang it above the workbench. Magnetic wristband for holding screws and other small gadgets has an adjustable strap with breathable mesh for comfortable wear while working. Rack magnetic LED pickup tool bundle. Bundle contains the magnetic LED pickup tool and universal socket grip. Easily retrieve dropped items with the extremely handy rack magnetic pickup tool telescoping flashlight. Perfect for automotive repairs, HVAC, boating, camping, fishing, and for anyone's toolbox. Powerful magnetic head for retrieving items such as nuts, bolts, and screws, and strong magnetic base for hands-free use by placing the magnet pickup tool onto a magnetic surface. Razer Naga Trinity Gaming Mouse. Experience the power of total control in your hand, no matter what game you play. Designed to provide you that edge you need in a MOBA or MMO gameplay, the Razer Naga Trinity lets you configure your mouse for everything from weapons to build customizations, so you'll always be ahead of the competition. 1000 Hz ultra polling Razer Synapse 3 beta enabled. Ergonomic right-handed design with enhanced rubber side grips, compatible with Xbox One for basic input, gaming grade tactile scroll wheel. STKR Concepts 00105 Magnetic Light Mine Hands. Professionals, including automotive technicians, electricians, plumbers, and HVAC contractors, will want to have one on hand, as it is small enough to fit into tight areas and aim a powerful beam of light where it is needed most. Because of its 12 neodymium magnets, it also works as a pickup tool for drop screws, nails, and hardware. Do-it-yourselfers and homeowners will also find hundreds of uses for the Striker magnetic LED light. Use it when working on an engine, changing a tire, wiring a home theater, switching on a breaker, crawling under a counter or sink. It will stick to the fridge, making it the go-to flashlight for the whole family, and it's great to have on camping trips. Star Wars Kotobukiya TFA Kylo Ren's Lightsaber Chopsticks. Kotobukiya's line of Star Wars-inspired chopsticks continues with the new movies with the Kylo Ren lightsaber chopsticks. These non-scale replicas of Kylo Ren's lightsaber are perfect for either display or use, making Star Wars a part of every meal. Features include a cross-guard saber hilt as seen in Star Wars. Use along with other lightsaber chopsticks, silicone ice trays, and sandwich and egg shapers for a full Star Wars-themed dining experience. Number 0 2.0. Number 2.0 is the world's very first 5-in-1 magnetic car vent cell phone mount with dynamic animation, which is upgraded version of Number 1.0 3-in-1 air freshener. Whether you're talking, navigating, or listening to your favorite music, it holds your device in place securely so that you get a safer, distraction-free driving experience. As a bonus, you can use the Number 2.0 as an aromatherapy diffuser to fill your car with the smell of your favorite essential oils or perfume. Matador blanket. This nylon blanket with PU coating provides the perfect waterproof seating for 2 to 4 adults. Mini size seats 1 to 2 adults. Blanket includes an easy pack pattern to help you fold it up into the attached storage pouch. Regular pocket blanket has built-in ground stakes. Pocket Blanket Mini has built-in corner pockets that you can fill with sand or rocks to keep it grounded in windy conditions.